Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of invoices? Wish there was a magical way to pay them all at once? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving deep into the world of zero batch payments. But here's the burning question. Is there a limit to how many invoices you can pay in one go? Let's find out. Now, Xero is known for its user-friendly interface and its powerful features designed to streamline your accounting. Batch payments are a prime example of this. Instead of tediously paying each invoice individually, you can group them together and process them in a single swoop. Talk about a time saver. But before we get into the nitty-gritty of limits, let's quickly recap what batch payments in Xero actually do. Group invoices. You can select multiple invoices from various suppliers and group them together for payment. Choose your payment method. Whether it's direct debit, credit card, or even bank transfers, Xero gives you flexibility in how you want to pay. Automate reconciliations. Xero automatically records the payment transactions in your accounts, saving you valuable time on manual data entry. Stay organized. Keep track of all your batch payments easily with clear records and reports within Xero. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Are there any limits to how many invoices you can include in a single batch payment? The good news is that Xero doesn't impose a strict, hard limit on the number of invoices you can pay in a batch. However, there are a few factors that can influence the practical limits. Your bank's limits. Your bank may have its own limitations on the number of transactions or the total payment amount allowed within a single day or batch. Your payment method. Some payment methods might have inherent limitations. For example, credit card companies often have daily spending limits. Xero's system performance. While unlikely, if you attempt to process an exceptionally large batch, it might put a strain on Xero's system, potentially leading to processing delays or errors. So what's the takeaway? While Xero itself doesn't have a fixed limit on the number of invoices in a batch payment, it's crucial to be mindful of your bank's rules and the specific characteristics of your chosen payment method. Pro tip: if you're dealing with a very large number of invoices, consider splitting them into smaller, more manageable batches to ensure smooth and efficient processing. Let's talk about some best practices for utilizing batch payments effectively in Xero. Accurate data entry. Before initiating a batch payment, double-check all invoice details for accuracy. Incorrect information can lead to payment delays and reconciliation issues. Supplier communication. Inform your suppliers about the batch payment process to avoid any confusion or potential disputes. Regularly review your bank limits. Stay informed about your bank's transaction limits and adjust your batching strategy accordingly. Utilize Xero's reporting features. Track your batch payment history, identify any potential issues, and gain valuable insights into your cash flow. Consider Xero's automation features. Explore Xero's rules and workflows to automate recurring payments, further streamlining your accounts payable process. Now, let's address some common questions you might have. Can I batch pay invoices from different currencies? Yes, Xero allows you to batch pay invoices from different currencies. However, keep in mind that currency conversion rates will apply. Can I schedule batch payments in advance? Absolutely. Xero allows you to schedule batch payments in advance, giving you greater control over your cash flow and ensuring timely payments. What happens if a payment in a batch fails? If a single payment within a batch fails, Xero will usually flag the issue, allowing you to investigate and rectify the problem before processing the remaining payments. Batch payments in Xero are a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your financial efficiency. By understanding the best practices and potential limitations, you can leverage this feature to save time, reduce errors, and improve your overall cash flow management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.